To change the theme of your Samsung Galaxy S26, you need to start by accessing the theme store. To do that, open up Settings and then select Themes. Under your Galaxy themes, you should be able to see different options available for you to choose from. So you have must-have free themes, you have blue, new themes that have just arrived, editor's pick, and all sorts of options. So it's up to you to decide which one you would prefer to use. You can tap on a theme to see how it would look like across your device. If you don't like it, you can tap on the back button and continue searching. Once you've successfully found a theme that suits your preferences, say for example, this one right here, then all you need to do is simply select Download Theme and wait for it to be downloaded onto your device. Once it's been successfully downloaded, you're then going to tap on Apply and wait as it's being applied to your phone. After it's finished applying, you shall be redirected to your home screen with a brand new theme, now your default. So you'll notice as you navigate, you can see the theme has been applied across everywhere. You'll also notice you go to the lock screen, the theme is also in effect there. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.